High-speed conveyor systems are the backbone of modern logistics, which must become even faster, more efficient, and more resilient. However, the demand for higher speeds also presents challenges. Friction, temperature, wear and maintenance efforts reduce efficiency and increase operating costs. This calls for an innovative material solution with coordinated sliding partners. The solution: LubX CV Plus from Röchling Industrial. Specially developed for high-speed systems, the material features exceptional sliding properties, high wear resistance, and excellent dry running performance. This material features less friction and stable temperature development, leading to lowered operating costs, reduced noise levels, and extended maintenance intervals. A significant relief for both equipment and personnel. Furthermore, LubX CV Plus is not limited to a single chain type, but provides the best solution for various materials due to its independence. High-speed conveyor systems with LubX operate without additional lubrication, providing a cleaner environment for sensitive industries such as food, pharmaceutical, and packaging. With the LubX product family, Röchling Industrial specializes in meeting the challenges of conveyor technology. A decade ago, we developed the first material that optimally considers the interaction of sliding partners in real-world applications. LubX CV Plus is the further development of this product family. Scientific testing shows that LubX CV Plus makes conveyor systems more powerful, efficient, and sustainable. Increase the sustainability of your conveyor systems with LubX CV Plus. Energy efficiency and a long service life for your conveyor systems means better operational sustainability. And with bio-based LubX variants available, you can reduce the use of fossil raw materials without compromising performance. With LubX, you can improve your processes, meet your output targets as planned, and shape the future of conveyor technology sustainably, efficiently, and flexibly. Röchling Industrial Materials. Quality you can trust.